Hello everybody, my name is Gabby. I am here with Tobias. This is week 1 of his training here at Best Paw Forward Dog Training. And what we're going to be working on today for his video is a little bit of place and a little bit of basics. So when dogs come through our program, we want to make sure that they have a solid foundation of being able to do some basic behaviors. Okay, so that when we start to do some of the more challenging things, they already have a foundation of listening to us. When we are in a lower distract environment, not much going on. Okay, so basics may seem simple, place may seem simple, but they are very, very important for some of the things that we will be working on in the future. Okay, so we do have a little bit of distraction in here. You might be able to hear that dog in the background. Yes, good boy. So you can use a place like this, free. You can use a spot on your carpet for place. You can use a dog bed. Anything like that you can use as place. It does not matter what you use. We just want to make sure that we are working on that place, right? You can have multiple different places in the house. But again, we want to make sure that we're practicing on all of those different places. So, how we start place is we start with a food lure. So what I mean by that is we have a piece of food in our hand. We're going to put that right up to the dog's nose. We're going to lure them. Yes, good boy. And then once he gets all 4 paws on there, I'm going to mark that with the word yes and then release that food. Free. We use the word free to let him know he can get up and walk around. Now, if he breaks before we free him, we want to make sure we're putting him back onto that place, having him wait, and then freeing him when he's able to do so successfully. So again, I'll show you that one more time. It's just a piece of kibble up to his nose, luring him onto that place. Yes, free. Once all 4 paws are on there, marking with the yes, and reinforcing with that treat by letting it go. Okay, so he's doing very nicely with that. Next step is pinch fingers without any food in it. I'm going to lure him on again. Yes, good boy. And then I'm going to reinforce. Very nice. Free. Now that he's doing really well with it, what I can start to do is start to use the word or the verbal. Okay, so that is place. So we're going to do that again. Pinch fingers, nothing in it. Place. Sit. But we want to make sure he's going on there with ease before we actually introduce that word. Free. Because when we ask for a behavior, we want to make sure it's going to happen. Once he's doing well with that, then we can use the hand signal and the verbal. So the hand signal we use is a flat hand in a sweeping motion towards place. Good boy, sit. And then we can put him in that sit, put him in that down, whatever it may be. Free. And then reinforce. Good job. As he gets better with this, then what we're going to start to do is we're going to start making it more challenging, right? So in order to do that, we increase the duration that he's on there. Okay, so we might do 5 seconds in the beginning and then gradually start to work our way up until he's able to stay on that place for a minute, right? We can also increase the distance. Okay, so take a few steps back, take a few steps to the side until we're able to get to the point where we're walking around the whole room. Or you can increase the distraction level. So again, right now, it's not very distracting in here. We have a little bit of barking in the background, but that's about it. We can start doing this in a new environment. Now, we want to do these one at a time, right? So we don't want to start inside the barn, very low distraction, not much going on, and then jump outside with 5 dogs and make it too challenging too quick. We want to set our dogs up to succeed, and in order to do that, we need to be very gradual with everything. So we're going to put him on place. Good boy. We can work on some sits. We can start working on duration. So having him stay for a certain amount of time. Yes, reinforcing. Free. Good boy. Tobias, place. We can start working on some downs. Good boy, he's able to go into that down. Good boy. So he's doing an excellent job here. Free. If you guys have any questions on this at all, let us know, but he's making a great deal of progress already on his first week, and we will see you in his next video tomorrow.